Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Shop app and log into your account. So once you're on your account here, so if you want to delete cancel an order, so what you can do, so the best method to cancel an order is to reach out to the store that you have purchased from. So for example, just open up, like, let me open up any item here. So for example, just open up the item that you wish that you have purchased. Okay, so just open up, and then if you scroll down, you will see you'll see the option to message or contact the store. So for example, here, dear Fancy is the store. So what I'm going to do, simply click on it, and this will take me to the message page here. So here, just mention your order number and then let them know that you want to cancel this order for whatever reason, and then initiate a request through the message. So you just have to contact the store and then initiate a message and then follow the prompt as per the store, because as the returns guideline or cancellation policies are different to each store. So just you have to directly deal it with the store. So that's how you can cancel an order on Shop app. You just have to contact the seller through this app. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.